And I think the story, this cemetery on the left, there's a plaque at the beginning of a man that was a slave during this prior to bless you.
Thank you.
Prior to the Civil War, and then he got injured, and then he ended up joining the Union troops. Let's see which way we want to go. We'll go this way.
Okay.
And then I don't remember the whole story behind him after that, but he's buried at that cemetery. Let me get my regular glasses.
Now I see why you said it's not easy road.
Nope. Watch your bud.
I think it should be really good, reliable vehicles to make it, especially when it is after rain. Mari.
Yep. I got them 4 high just in case because it's pretty gravelly, but everything is dry. I don't think we're going to have any problems unless we come across any really big ruts.
Body shake.
We got some ruts here, but I think these are fine. This doesn't look to be too big. It actually looks like someone tried to fill it. Potentially, you could probably camp on either side here, dispersed wise.
Oh, I see the lake.
This is a fun little trail.
When road is getting better, definitely.
Well, I mean, even with it like this is wonderful. I think that's a hawk.
Okay.
And also, we're keeping a lookout to see if we can find good places off the beaten path that you can camp. Because places like this, you could disperse camp as long as we can pull off a ways off the road.
Do we have to get permission for camping here?
You have to have a permit. It ain't much.
So usually camping place it is cleared up, right?
The basics and the ones above it, yeah, they're cleared up. Anything that's dispersed, if you remember a couple of weeks we came by and someone left their garbage hanging in a tree.
Yes.
They're sometimes not unless a forest ranger comes out to check it out. Next time I'll probably air down for a trail like this. It'd be a little softer if we did. And you know what? I think the side road on this think the side trail where some people can go camping is the one that we actually hiked on. That has some really big ruts on it.
Okay.
We got a horsefly stuck in here now. Yeah, because these are some big ruts here on my left. And we gotta hang on before I try to cross that up there. We might have to back up and turn around. Nah, those are easy peasy. From up here they look pretty big, but once you walk to it, it's not too bad. Just take it slow. Now our truck, I wouldn't do this in. The clearance on the truck is a lot lower than this. And we can't go down that way. Someone's already camping. But yeah, see those huge ruts there? If you remember when we were doing the hike,
yes,
and there was a sailboat sitting out in the water, this is where we're at.
Okay.
So that's another good spot. And he's got a damn minivan down there. If you can get a minivan down there, yeah, we won't have no problems unless he's going to have a hard time coming back up. But this was fun. But that also tells me if we wanted to camp over here, we have to get here really early. They probably got here Friday and set up camp. Don't know where that road goes. It's not on the map. I'm not going to take it. So
there is Chorn or whatever.
Yeah, this merges back to the main road that we took coming in. So we've done Nickel Branch. That one we said is a check mark. We like it. This one, I like it, but it seems like only one person can get down there. So the next campsite we'll check out is Twin Lakes. And that's off of Moss Creek Road. Okay. Well, I remember us when we hiked back there. I actually liked the spot. It's just this one is definitely not easy to get to. Get up. There you go. still recording. Wait, so it was vehicle up the road?
Oops.
Very low clearance vehicle. I'm glad he decided to turn around.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm gonna stop the recording here.